Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So special thanks to my colleague Mr. Shafiq, and special thanks to his research on how to batch edit bunch of text measures all at once, or how to create multiple text measures all at once without without doing the annoying new measures and everything. And special thanks to Perito's YouTube channel. And I would inspire you all to go through these two videos, like a beginner's guide to TMDL format and in developer mode. So yeah, so he explained very nicely how we can work with the tabular model definition language inside the Power BI reports. So yeah, so let me show you a practical implementation, like a practical implementation of the tabular models. So first of all, this is my Power BI report that you might be working on, that I might be working on. So let me open it. So you see that I have a bunch of tables, calendar, customer, product categories, subcategories, and etc. And in the measures, I created all my measures. Okay. Now, for some reasons, suppose you need to create another table that is called measures 2024, and that will only use the 2024 data, but all the measures, the functions, formula, etc. are the same. So what you will have to do, you'll just have to manually copy paste. You'll just have to create a table using enter data, and then you'll have to continuously create new measure by clicking here, and then wait sometimes, and then write your function, and then um, create it, and then wait sometimes. So all in all, the dex creation was not very intuitive. It was a very slow, and it used to take lots of time. But now using the TMDL file format, you can do it very easily. So let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you will have to go to options and settings, and then options, and then from the preview features, you'll have to check this thing, store semantic model using TMDL format. You'll have to check this thing, click OK. So after clicking OK, it will tell you to restart your Power BI report. So after restarting the Power BI report, what you can do, you will go to Sybase and then browse this device, and then save this, save your existing Power BI report in Power BI project files. Okay, so you can save this as Power BI project files. So after saving it as Power BI project files, you will get these four files, that is PBIP, and then semantic model, and then report, and then many other things. So the main work is in the semantic model, and then go to definition, and then the tables. So these are the tables that you have created, that you have in your Power BI report. So I have like measures, calendar, and everything. So I have all my measures in a singular table that is in measures. So what you can do, you can open those .tmdl file using VS Code, and you can also use the extension that is called TMDL. So if you download and install this extension, then VS Code will help you to distinguish between the table table names, and the lineage tag, and then the measures, and then format string, and other things. Like there will be coloring. Otherwise, it will be all single color. So it would take very it would take very it would get harder for you to understand what is what. So here you can see we have all our measures, like total cost, that is sum of product cost, and then total customer, that is a distinct count of customer key. So suppose you want to batch edit, you want to edit a bunch of your measures. So suppose distinct count, you don't want distinct count, you only want count, you can just delete the count. And then total returns, you don't want to use all except, you want to use only all. and you want to only use this table name without any what is it called, without any column name. And then suppose you want average, so you use average here. So you see that it actually, so when I click A, it actually gives us the suggestions. So yeah, so this is what you edited. And another thing what you can do, you can create the same table. You can create a duplicate of the table. So let me try this. I haven't tried it yet. So suppose I created this thing, okay, and I created sorry, let me rename it as measures 2024. Okay. So yeah, I have created it and I have set it, and I have also edited all some of the measures. Okay, now let's close all of these things, and now let's go back to Power BI, the folders, and I will open the PBIP file. Okay, let's try opening it. Okay, so yeah, so there is some problem. Yeah, we need to change some things. That is, the some things are actually same in the measures underscore 2024 and measures. So we need to, yeah, so you see the table name is same in both the files. So let me just edit, let me just make it 2024, and also the lineage tag is also the same. So yeah, let me just delete the lineage tag. Okay, and then you see that all the measure names are also same. So if measure names are same, then Power BI will give you error. So let me just edit some of the measure names, 1 2 3, and let me just delete all other measures for simplification. Delete it. um Partition underscore measures, yeah, let me just rename it also measures 2024, measures 2024, and then source table. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just renaming underscore measures to like underscore measures underscore 2024. That is my new name, and I'm just trying it out. Also, I don't know if it will work right now or not. So yeah, but we can actually try. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and this one is also saved. Okay, yeah. So now let's try opening the report, PBIP report. Hopefully it will work. Oh wow, it actually worked. So yeah, so now you see, yeah, now it's showing us two tables. One is underscore measures and another one is underscore measures 2024. And these are the, okay, let's just remove all those things. And these are uh, the average, the edited measures, edited text measures. And here in the measures, I have also edited some of those things. Like I have edited return percent. No, I think I edited total orders. Yeah, it was distinct count. I changed it to count and others. Yeah. Okay, let me go to page 2 because I also, yeah. So the page in the page 2, because I changed the index measures, the values also changed. Okay, let me show you. So this is my original one. Yeah, so the total cost was 121K, and because I changed some things, now it's showing 414 and then 1800 and many other things. So all in all, this is how you can leverage, you can use the .tmdl format, and then dynamically batch edit all your dex measures, and then you can also create like another measure table, and then you can use all your like necessary dex measures and everything. So yeah, the pending changes in your that you haven't applied. So yeah, let me just discard those changes. Yeah, let me see what happens. So yeah, if you just click on a refresh now, then everything will go away. Now what you can do, you can also use this thing and directly publish to your Power BI service, or you can save as a Power PBIX. So yeah, I want to save as updated. Okay, so that's it. So I will encourage you all to watch these two videos. Just type Veritas on YouTube, and then you will find these two videos in his YouTube channel. And a special thanks to my colleague, Mr. Shafiq. Yeah, thanks a lot for your research, and thank you for allowing me to share this knowledge with the community. Thank you very much. Have a good night.